Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to search for a video on TikTok. Searching for a video on TikTok is straightforward. Here's how to do it. First, open the TikTok app. Next, go to the search bar. Tap the magnifying glass icon or the search icon at the top right, depending on your TikTok version. The search screen will appear. Next, enter keywords. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in keywords related to the video you're looking for. Use specific hashtags. For example, hashtag funny videos. Search for creators' usernames if you know them. Enter phrases or topics related to the content. Then tap on the search icon on your keyboard. Next, browse results. TikTok will display search results in various categories. Top shows the most relevant results. Users displays TikTok profiles related to your query. Videos shows videos matching your search. Sounds list of sounds related to your keywords. Live displays ongoing live streams. Hashtags shows hashtags matching your search. Tap the video tab to focus on video results. Next, refine your search. Now go ahead and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Use filters to narrow your search results if available. Scroll through the results to find a video that matches your query and tap on that video. Next, save or interact with the video. Once you find the video, tap the heart icon to save it to your liked videos. Share. Tap the share icon to send it to your friends or save the link. Save for later. Bookmark the video if the creator has enabled downloads. Tips for effective searching. Use trending hashtags or keywords for better results. If you're looking for a video you have already watched, check your watch history. By going to your profile, tap on the three dots, then tap on the Settings and Privacy, Activity Center, then Watch History. With these steps, you can quickly find the videos you're looking for on TikTok. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.